Hey guys, Ross here. I made six figures multiple times selling multiple different digital products without even implementing AI. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can start your very own digital product business as soon as today from scratch using AI to help you out. And so guys, in this video, we're going to see three steps. First one is what to sell, in our words, picking a niche. Second step is where to sell it. I'm going to show a pretty cool way that currently I'm using. And finally, how to sell it and what to create, basically how to set up the actual digital product. Coming to the first step, I'm using my own website called promotopics.com. It's an AI niche discovery website. You can use it for free, but it's very handy to give us some ideas on what kind of product or niche we want to create. So here I'm scrolling at the trending topics. I can see digital asset templates, on-demand car wash, specialized hoarding cleanup. Now you have to remember that the three main topics that I've been using for years on the internet are health and wellness, yes, wealth, money, finances, and home improvement. These are main ones because people will always want to be healthy, people will always want to make more money and bring more means to their household. And talking about household, people with houses will have more money to spend or whatever project. So here I'm actually looking at this one. DIY home repair e-guides. People with homes, like I said, have money, and DIY home repair e-guides are pretty good because home repairs cost a lot. If you own a house, you know that. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to click validate, and it's automatically going to validate this idea. And we can see what I'm interested in is the earnings potential. The optimistic one, monthly recurring, not recurring, but monthly earnings can reach to $40,000 a month just selling DIY home repair e-guides. So let's scroll down. What is good about Promo Topics is I designed it and I created it in such a way that pulls affiliate offers. In other words, you can see what products and other people are already promoting, but not only their products. If you scroll down, you can see also their active ads in this specific niche. So you can literally see an entire business, just replicate it. Don't copy it word by word, but take it as an example and create your own version. Another interesting thing is actually, if you scroll up, you can see the products you can create. I created this section so the actual promo topics gives you ideas on what kind of products and how you can price them. You can create and you can price them. So first one is Beginner's Guide to Essential Home Repairs. You can price it at $20 to $29. We have Weekend Warrior, quick fixes for common home problems, but this is a video courses. What is this one? One-on-one DIY repair troubleshooting sessions. Now, if you understand how to repair homes, fix furniture, fix wiring, etc., you can charge $75 to $150 an hour. But we're not interested in these. We're interested more in this one: printable home maintenance and repair planners, or Beginner's Guide to Essential Home Repairs. So let's highlight this, and I'm going to open Claude AI, and here what we're going to do, I'm going to say, hey Claude, I'm creating a digital product about home renovation and home improvement. I want to sell it as a digital product and I want to price it from around $9 to $20. Can you give me some ideas on what can I create? The first idea that I had is this one, and I'm actually going to paste the idea, which is the Beginner's Guide to Essential Home Repairs, and let's see what Claude gives me as ideas. And right away off the bat, I think I really like the first result Claude gave me. So it says fear money saving angles. Fear is what sells online, and this is the strongest impulse buys. The strongest impulse, like I'm talking about the impulse buyers. This is what we need because they don't know you, they don't know your brand, so we need impulse buyers. And Claude tells us to name this as following: stop paying $150 call-out fees. 30 repairs you can do yourself in under 30 minutes. Checklist plus photo style. This is pretty good guide. So now what we're going to do, I want to expand more on this idea, and I'm going to copy and paste it into the chat and say, awesome. I'm just going to say, awesome, please proceed with this idea. I want you to give me all the steps and all the topics in the PDF or the digital book that I'm going to have. Stop paying $150 call out fees, right? Now, if we're going to hit enter, we're going to see, and let's see, the 30 repairs by category: plumbing, fix a running toilet, unclog slow or blocked drain, stop a dripping faucet, electricals. These are pretty cool actually. I'm actually getting excited for my house. Flooring, fix a squeaky floorboard. Ooh, that's a good one. Fix a squeaky floorboard. HVAC, replace clean HVAC. Okay, these are pretty good. By the way, one last thing before we create a product, I want to go to Google Trends and just search for home renovation to see if I actually have good searches, good data. And oh yes, we do have home renovation. It's going up. Here we have a little dips, but it's still up. So that's a very positive. Always go to Google Trends to check your topics. So this is home renovation search term. If we go to topic, let's see the topic of home renovation. Yes, still the same. So we're good. We're good to go. Now, Claude already gave us all the info we needed. You know what also is pretty cool? You can link up affiliate links to some of these topics, and you can pile more revenue per client if they click your affiliate links. Then we're going to open Claude Design. This is where we're going to design the guide, because we'll have to make it good looking in order to sell it, right? So here in Claude Design, I'm going to say this. Hey Claude, I'm creating a digital ebook that is a guide for home improvement. Please, I want you to create me one image, which is a cartoonish looking image that illustrates how to fix a running toilet. You can also create a series of images like steps on how to fix a running toilet. That's it. This is for my very first niche, not niche, but topic. And then Claude has a bunch of questions for us. I already answered them. We're gonna click proceed. And as you can see, Claude is already creating the illustrations, and with the steps. So step 1, shut off the water, and it's still creating more. Step 2, open the tank and look inside. Step 3, check the flapper. Step 4, oops, now they're created. Swap in a few flappers. Turn water back on the test. But I just told Claude that these images he created, they didn't look realistic. So I told him, hey, create me a new ones. And we can see now the new ones look much more realistic. We have the water tank with the water. We have floater, chain, flapper. This is insane. This is better than an actual person who comes to your house. You see how much details. Shut off valve, so I have to turn that off. Flapper, one flapper leak. It's here at the bottom of the tank. This is new flapper. This is insane. So we're just doing one. Remember, we have to do each of these images or cartoons for each of the topics we have. Door repairs, furniture, and as you can see, it's easy. It's just prompting Claude. Then what you do is combining all of these things into one big PDF guide, and that's it. You have your digital product ready to ship. Talking about shipment, you need to sell it somewhere, so you have to create your own landing page, and I'm using lovable.dev to create landing pages. So here we're going to say this: hey Lovable, build me a simple landing page for my PDF DIY home improvement guide. This is a sales page where it should be an impulse sale, where people land on my page. They want to see how they can save money by doing DIY repairs instead of calling out plumbers and technicians. And the name is the Weekend Fixer. So let's build that simple landing page. So Lovable has a couple of examples. I like this one with the bold and orange, so let's select this one. While this is creating our website, you can also elaborate with our first Claude, where it gave us all the topics here. And you can tell Claude, hey Claude, please elaborate on each of these 30 repairs, how I can do them easily step by step. Let's start with the first one, fix a running toilet. I'm also creating cartoonish images for this step. It should be very descriptive. Okay, so let's start with this. Here I'm building actually a very good PDF guide, because when you price it, let's say at $9 or $15, when people start reading it, they have to be amazed. They have to be like, wow, I can't believe this costs just $9. we have a lot of information. Repair, this is how to fix it, step by step, locate the shut-off valve, etc., etc., all these steps. And then we also have the illustrations of these steps. You can also do the following. Once you have your design here in the cloud design, you can take a screenshot of it and just paste it back in your original cloud, so it knows what are your visuals look like. And we also have our website from Lovable, so it looks pretty cool. But now here comes the most important part. Just a website and a product idea would not do, it would do nothing. What we need is, what does sell on a website? It's the words, the messaging, the copywriting. This is the most important part. So we need to change the messaging here on this website. For that purpose, I'm going to be using one of the recent greatest copywriters, the ABC of Copywriting. This is an ebook from Tom Alberton, and this book is contains techniques on how to create persuasive copy that sells products to cold audiences, right? So I have this entire book right here, and I am done. You can download it, you can use other books, whatever. But what I want to do is I want to use this book as a brain to the AI, and AI knows how to create this persuasive copy so we can sell more of our products. Next tool that I'm going to be using is this. This is called Get Poppy. Why I use this? Because here I can hook up a lot of things. For example, I can now bring this actual website, not website, but this PDF book. So let's download it. We can click download. I already downloaded it, but I'm going to do it again for you. It's right here. Then I go to Poppy and I just drag and drop this book like this. It's already here. I'm going to connect it to the main AI chat. Next thing, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Lovable, publish my website here by clicking this button. All right. Lovable gives me a URL. So here's my URL. If I access it, I should be able to access the website. Boom. This is very good. Now I'm going to also copy this URL back to Poppy. I'm going to paste it like this. So we want to connect as many details as possible so Poppy knows what we're doing, what we're creating. And also, if you have your PDF book that is already created, this is highly, highly recommended that you hook up your book here as well. And in the chat, I'm going to press, like, let's extend this a little bit. Here in the chat, what we're going to say is, hey, I'm creating a sales page to sell my digital ebook, which is a guide on how to do DIY home repairs and don't pay hundreds of dollars for repair people. I want you to study the ebook, or not the ebook, but the PDF book about copywriting, the ABC of copywriting. And based on the knowledge in that book, I want you to create me a persuasive sales copy for cold traffic for my website. So now, Poppy, let's extend that like this. We'll study the PDF book that I just reported. And this one is a very long one, as you can see. This is a very lengthy, very detailed ebook. It's a book that has a lot of techniques in it. And we already have our sales copy for the weekend fixer, the copywriting strategy applied, problem solution structure, hard benefit with real numbers, customer focus, U language, consistency. So very good. And here's our sales copy. Very simple. Now what is left is to read it, make sure it reflects on our products, and then copy everything and paste it into Lovable. Now, if you don't have Poppy, because this tool is paid, it's a bit pricey, you can do the same thing by uploading this book to Claude AI or to ChatGPT and doing the same thing, right? I'm just using Poppy because it's much easier for me to just copy and paste a bunch of sources. Once you have the copy, I'm not going to do it to lose time here. You can create upsells and downsells, and this is to increase your AOV, the average order value, because you can price this at like, this is 27, but I would price this PDF guide at $9. Let's say $9 or even $6. And then when people buy, they're going to be redirected to an upsell page, or on the checkout page, you're going to have an order bump that says, hey, do you want something else? Do you want a video course to this? Do you want the actual tools are being used? Like I said, in the repairs, you can attach affiliate links with all the tools people are going to be using to repair their home. So you can do that as well. For example, wrenches. You can hook up Amazon links, affiliate links with wrenches for the home fixer, and you can make more money per customer doing that. And our final step is where you sell this. I told you I'm going to show you a pretty cool way to sell products, and this is WhatsApp. I know it sounds kind of weird, like why WhatsApp? But recently, WhatsApp has been used to create communities. Yes, communities of like-minded people. If you're into home repair, if you're a handyman yourself, you understand how to repair homes, this is one of the best ways you can do. Create your own tribe on WhatsApp with like-minded people, people who have homes and people who struggle to fix their homes, so you can actually share ideas together and you can upsell them even your services or more guides or something more. Now, I am a part of a lot of these WhatsApp groups. I'm going to show you one. This is Income and Business. We are 142 members in this group on WhatsApp. And by the way, the owner of the group is not me, this is someone else. He upsells people for private coachings. And I actually signed up for one of these. I actually signed up for his video courses. So yeah, WhatsApp is very, very popular nowadays. Another thing you can do is use Facebook groups and communities. Create your own community about home renovations and improvement on Facebook. This is one of my communities. It's about affiliate intelligence. We're 48,000 members. I started this community from 0 members. But of course, this takes time to create it and to get people in it. If you don't want to wait, there's another way. This is a tool called Minea. Minea researches Facebook meta ads, and in here I can just type home renovation, and you can search for other people renovating their homes and their ads, and basically create Meta and Instagram ads. As you can see, these are all ads here. This tool is paid, by the way, Minea, so it's gonna give you ads of other people. It's going to tell you what they sell, how they sell it. If I click this one, they can actually give me the supplier. If it's a physical product, they're going to give me a supplier of China, from China or whatever they're supplying the product. And then if you don't want to pay for Minea, you can use our old friend, the Facebook ads library. Here I've typed home improvement, and we can see now the actual ads on Facebook without paying money, 48,000 results. Look at that. I can even filter this down to home improvement guide just to reflect on our product, so we can see what other people are promoting. Okay, now this is pretty good. 1,000 results out of 48,000, right? So we can see, oh, personal growth ebook collection. This is, I don't know, this is not for home improvement, I guess. But yeah, oh, this is it. Where to buy epoxy, right? Another guide. So what is this? Build your Ado, whatever this is, etc. Oh, this is the idea, guys. So you study what works and you just make yours better and just roll it out on the internet. So if you like the video, hit a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you're new, and I'll see you in my next video.